Seminary High School.
I'm Frank the Great.
And I'm Daisy the Awesome. Today's April 11th,
2014.
Celebrate poetry and reading during April, next Friday, April 18th, during your lunch period.
If you're interested, you may speak to your English teacher or Miss Farrell for more information. Now it's time for this week's Fail or Pass.
This is Fail or Pass.
Nothing can stop the claw!
I don't know.
Nothing can stop the claw!
You're fired! That's gotta be a good man. Got it?
You're fired!
Oh, baby!
What you gonna do, brother, when Hulkmania runs wild after you?
Hulk Hogan!
What you gonna do when Malkamania runs wild on you, brother? This was Fail or Pass.
Also, students, don't forget to keep bringing your coins and dollar bills during all three lunches to the collection table for Pasta for Pennies.
They'll add it to your fourth period collection, and the class with the most donations will receive free Olive Garden for lunch. Our goal is to raise $2,000, and the final day is next Wednesday. Now it's time for What You Didn't Know with Mary Jo.
Hey guys, I'm back this week with Miss Benavides, and we're going to ask her 2 questions that you need to know to graduate. The first one is, what courses are required by the state in order to graduate?
Okay, the state requires, what we do actually is follow a 4x4 plan where the state requires 4 English courses, so English 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 math courses, which can include Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2, and Pre-Cal, and 4 science courses, Biology, Chemistry, Physics, and a 4th science of your choice, and History, World Geography, World History, U.S. History, Government, and Economics. On top of the 4x4 model, you also have to have a fine arts credit, which can include dance, choir, band or orchestra. You also need a half credit of health, a half credit of speech, and 1 full credit of PE. In addition, you need 6 electives of your choice.
Okay, the next question is, how do you calculate your GPA?
Alright, I'm going to let Reed take that question because he is an expert on calculating GPAs.
Well, thank you, Miss Benavides.
So, to calculate your GPA, you have to find out which classes you have that are regulars, honors pre-AP, and AP GT. You take those regulars classes, you multiply it by 1.0. You take those honors pre-AP classes, you multiply it by 1.05. You take those AP GT classes, and you multiply them by 1.1. Then you take all those, and you add them all up, and you get some number, right? Well, how many classes do you have? If you got 8 classes, you multiply it by 8. If you got 7 classes, which I don't know, maybe some of you do, you multiply them by 7, or you divide them by 7, excuse me. And then you get that average, which is your GPA. And there you go.
Juniors that are registered for dual credit classes for next year, Northlake application and the pre-assessment are due next week on Friday, April 18th. If you need any help with the online process, the counselors are in the counseling office for any help.
Also, juniors, if you want to be on KRV next year and you couldn't make it to the meeting we had today in the morning, come by today after school in Ms. Lob's room 537. If you still can't make it to the meeting for some odd reason, come see Ms. Lob.
Hey guys, don't forget to vote for Kid to Win so he can qualify for a scholarship.
The link will be on our KRV Twitter account. Here's his video, so check it out.
Oh, let's go, baby! There we go. Y'all know he's only 13 years old? 13 years old? You can do that? No, I get it. What, he's 18. Oh! That butt bounce, though. I like that. I'm gonna take that. That butt bounce. When I go to the club, I'm gonna use that move. Get that one, too.
Oh, that's all we have for you today.
I'm Daisy the Awesome.
And I'm Frank the Great. Now I know what an INLI is for your ISPN.
DJ singing that country song. Come on, come on, come on. Shake it for the birds, shake it for the bees. It sure is Miller grazing in the grass. Grazing in the grass, he said, yes, baby, can you do what a trip? Just watching.
Good afternoon, Irving High School. This is Ida Sanchez.
What up, though? This is Elias Playtest here with your ISPN news.
At the top of our news, varsity boys will be traveling to Grapevine High School. The boys will play at 7.
That is varsity boys baseball. JV1 and JV2 baseball will be at Grapevine tomorrow at Grapevine High School. And boys varsity will be at Little Elm at 11. Be sure to go out and support our boys.
Softball, on the other hand, will be at Irving High School today, playing against Turner at 6 p.m. Good luck, girls.
Here. Water polo will be at Flower Mound Tournament Friday and Saturday, so be sure to wish them luck.
All right, well, that's all we have for today. I'm Ida Sanchez. Be sure to stay tuned after the broadcast to see our videos with the baseball studs, Connor and Jordan.
And I'm Elias Playtest, reminding you to keep it clutch.
And keep it
And just keep it clutch.
And classy. Okay, guys, I'm here with Jordan and Connor to talk about baseball. So, guys, is baseball life?
Baseball's definitely life.
When did you start playing baseball?
I actually played t-ball when I was real little and got injured my 8th grade year, and it's my first year back, actually.
How about you, Jordan?
I started playing when I was around 4, and I've been playing ever since.
Okay. So, guys, a lot of girls tell me that baseball pants make your buttocks look bigger. Is that true?
Oh, that's a given.
Oh, yeah, definitely. You know, you got to have something to balance out the yoga pants.
Any advice you have for freshmen joining baseball?
Definitely give it all that you have. I mean, if you think about it, the harder you play, the better you play in a game. So.
Jordan?
You want to have a we over me mentality.
We over me. How does it feel to be a pitcher and a shortstop?
Well, those are the two most vital positions in baseball. As a pitcher, you run the whole game. Everything that happens
Because of you.
because of the pitching. You make the pitches. You control the momentum of the game. And then as a shortstop, that's the most hard position. That's the hardest position because you have so much area to cover, and everybody's a righty, so they pull the ball to you. So those are the two most difficult positions.
Connor, if you could date a Texas Ranger player, which one would you date?
Ooh. You want to give me with the assist on this?
Definitely Ian Kinsler, even though he got traded.
Yeah.
The way he rolls up his pants is just A1.
Model 1 over here.
Okay, guys. So, how are you going to ask Veronica and Carla to prom? Or
It's top secret.
Yeah,
Top secret.
definitely.
To be announced.
To be announced. I'll give a date, April 18th. That's when I'm doing it.
oh, okay.
2 days before.
Got it.